That not hit our order? There we go. What? Oh! All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to day number 3, I believe, of My Funded Futures. Yesterday, we ended up taking a dub. As you guys know, I was in a losing streak and a rut, so to get that win yesterday actually felt so good. Now we just got to build off that. We can't really focus too much on just the win. We're just going to get, like I say, almost every single video 1% better every single day. Oh, you guys know the deal. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. We are actually streaming a Discord this morning. What's up to everyone in the Discord? Let's get straight to charts, you guys. So yesterday, we do end up taking a win. Like, I have not traded today, so I don't know why it says this. That's a little bit of a glitch, but anyway, yesterday we take a dub for 534.8. All right, and then looking at it yesterday, it kind of looked like we were set up for shorts, but you guys know the deal. Let's take a look at everything. A revised strategy or checklist, if you want to call it. All right, what's our 1 week price action looking like? What are we looking like for the weekly? We're bullish. What's our daily price action looking like? Also bullish. What's our 4 hour looking like? Okay, so our 4 hour actually breaks structure of the downside. Not gonna lie, looking a little bearish. Our 1 hour price action and 1 hour key levels. Key levels, so we have a few fair value gaps within here that we've traded through already. We have this big one way up here, which is also multiple 15-minute fair value gaps. Awesome. Session highs and session lows. Throw in our indicator here. We have a London low and we have Asia low. It's already been swept, but we also have London high right here and Asia session high way back here. 15-minute target areas plus the 1 hour. We're gonna take a look at that real quick. Probably gonna be a lot the same as our 1 hour, right? Which it is. We're probably gonna be targeting these lows today. A few low resistance lows here. Actually, next on our checklist is SMT search. Sure, we might be in the process of making a bullish SMT right now, but do we honestly think that maybe the S&P 500 might come down to these lows as well? Like, that could very well happen. Okay, so I do see that we have a bullish SMT right now, but we're in quite the downtrend. Okay, and then looking at the NASDAQ, it is the leading index. It's the more bearish index. So today, for that reason, we're going to be trading NASDAQ. What are you going to do about the SMT and Asian session low? Right, so you're talking about these ones right here. If I'm going to be honest, I'm going to kind of disregard it for now. It was bullish for a long time. Like, it was the leading bullish index for a very long time. So it's only right that it's going to sell off a little bit harder, right? It's got to catch up to NASDAQ again. We're going to stick to NASDAQ and we're going to look for shorts. We have a nice 5-minute inverse fair value gap here. Huge juicy order block after that sweep. Okay, this is kind of what we're looking for. This is really good. After this sweep on the 5-minute chart, it creates a very nice fair value gap and inverse fair value gap. So if at any point we can have the 1 minute retrace to this inverse and regular fair value gap, I will be looking for some sort of entry. Okay, we're looking to strike here. Okay, we got to dial in here, chat. So we just crossed over into discount for shorting. We've wicked into this imbalance and starting to fall off. I like where this is going. I like where this is going. Okay, this video does not do it justice. Need some form of confirmation here. Like a return higher into the order block or the inverse fair value gap on the 5. Would like my stops to be above the swing high and then targeting these lows. I know it touched the bottom of the 5-minute order block, but I do want that order block to be further pushed into. I'm not satisfied with just the one touch there. And if it leaves without me, fuck. Okay, we're gonna place a limit order here. See if it does get filled. We like that this sweep here above these highs, it sweeps up, touches the 5-minute order block, and has a really good answer. So with that, we see an immediate reaction from the 1 minute. And in that reaction, we also see a fair value gap. So if we come up, touch this fair value gap, we find an entry one more time. Did that not hit our order? Here we go. All right, we're in. Crazy consolidation, no kidding. I'm not afraid with looking for a second entry if we return to this order block and get a good reaction from it. They got us a two-tone watch. Oh! Sniper fucking entry. There's been no volume these past few candles. 1, 2 times. I was 1 tick away from hitting stop loss. Did we get stopped out there?